Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you few things about the billing alarms. So probably you have signed up for a free account and this video is targeted for those type of users. But you want to make sure that you do not have any surprises when you get a monthly bill from Amazon. So even though you have signed up for a free account, okay, you can actually do even more. You can maybe deploy some instances that are not part of the free account. You just don't know, or by mistake you did that, or your free account or free instances that's been running for more than the number of allowed hours a month, something like that. So all you need to make sure that you do not get any surprises when you see a bill from Amazon. So when you created the account, you probably provided credit card information, and the way it works, Amazon first bills your account, bills your card, and then they will send you the bill, and you may go crazy. Hey, what happened? But it's not the other way around, that they will send you the bill and then they will charge your account. It's not that. They will charge your account and then send you the bill. So be very careful about your billing. Now again, we are not using our root account. I'm using an IAM user, but I have, from the root account, I have enabled access to the billings for the IAM users. So this user is able to access the billing. So what I wanted to do is, if you pretty much have to come to that particular billing area, right? So once you log in over here, you can just search for billing, and the billing blade will come up. You just click on it, it will take you to the billing blade. So right now it says I have $0 cost, which is great. That's what we want, and forecast everything is 0. That's great. That's what where I would like to stay. But what we will do here, under the preferences here, we'll do some stuff. Okay, we'll click on the billing preferences, and if you go there right now, this only thing that is tick marked is a receive free tier usage alert, but see, there is no email address specified, so it's not really going anywhere. So I want to enable first of all this one, which is to receive the PDF invoice by email. And if you turn on this feature, you will get a PDF version of your invoice by email, and generally available within the first 3 days of the month. That's great. I would like to see that, and keep a trail of documents how much Amazon is charging. Also it will kind of remind me, okay, or open it up and see, okay, I have still 0 or a couple dollars. That's good. Now this one is also important, receive free tier usage alerts. If you go over, then you will get an alert. If you turn on this feature, when your AWS service usage is approaching or has exceeded the AWS free tier usage, you will get an alarm. So let's just put some, so AZ Labs, say 9,000 at outlook.com. Let's get the email alerts to that email address. And over here, the next thing that I want to do is receive the billing alerts, and here you gotta turn this one on, and then you gotta configure this. If you see, you also have detailed billing reports, a legacy. I am not gonna use this one, so I'm just gonna collapse this. Now just turning this on does not mean anything, so you actually come back over here to manage billing alerts, or you can also try the new budget feature. So that's something new that they have recently added. So let's take a look at the manage billing alerts first. So let's just click on it and see what you can configure from here. All right, one other thing I forgot to mention, before you do anything, you do have to click on the save preferences before you start managing the billing alert. So let's just do that one as well. So now you have saved your billing preferences, and now you should be able to manage your billing alert. So now you can click on it, and we'll configure a few things. So what's happening here right now is, if you click on the manage billing alerts, it's gonna bring up another service really, that is the CloudWatch. Now CloudWatch is a service where you can really do a lots of different types of alarm that you can create for, like metric, your CPU usage, memory usage, and at the same time we can also use it for the billing. So what I want to do over here, this page may look different time to time. Okay, so you may see something different if they have changed the design, but I can clean up this just a little. And over here on the left hand side I have the billing. That is what I am interested in, so I'm going to click on the billing over here. So this brings up the page where I can create an alarm, and since this is under billing, it will create a billing alarm. So I'm going to click on the create alarm, and over here I'm going to go through few steps. There are 4 steps process. Okay, you specify the metric and condition, configure actions, then add name and description, and preview, and then create. So over here, metrics, select metrics. What do you want to monitor and watch? Okay, so over here I'm going to come to the billing, and I'm interested in total estimated charge, and I'm very frugal and I don't want my charge to go more than say $10, something like that. So over here now I can click on select metric. So over here what I'll do, now really I'm designing and configuring my conditions. So threshold type is static. Okay, if is when the estimated charge is greater than $10, okay, then I want to do something additional configuration. I don't need this part, so I'm just gonna hit next. And what do I need to create an alarm. That's great, but I'm gonna create a new topic, and this is a simple notification service. It allows to create you the topic, what Amazon calls it, and this topic would be an email, and I'll get notifications. So just name something. So LALA alarm 10 USD usage. Okay, so that's the name. You can have any name you like. Then I'm putting it there, and then let's just put my email. And then all you need to do is to create a topic. So let's see, so we got the topic, and at this time, anytime my total usage within Amazon, if it exceeds $10, okay, and that alarm 10 USD usage, then I'll get an email notification. So what to do next? And actually what it did, it actually, as soon as I hit this notification, I got email notification in my Outlook as well, and it said, hey, somebody created a subscription confirmation, and $10 you have subscribed to this particular topic, and what you need to do, you need to confirm this subscription just by clicking the link that you get in this particular email. So I'm just gonna do that from my email, and then what I'll do, once I clicked on the confirm subscription, it said your subscription is confirmed. So that's all you need to do. Next, we'll come down over here, hit next, and we can also name this alarm name. So my 10 USD notification. If you want to describe, you can describe some more stuff. So we have configured this metric, then configured actions, like the sending email. Now we are just giving some names and description, and then I'm gonna hit next. And over here, so this line is when my usage will go above that particular line, it will send me that notification. Okay, and at the bottom, I think that's all I need to do. I don't need anything else. It's just telling me what are the conditions. It's a static. Whenever it goes greater than $10, it's gonna create, and action is it's gonna send a notification to my email, and that's about it. Let's create alarm, and over here it just is insufficient data because we just created the alarm, but that's about it. So over here, what you have, we have successfully created this particular alarm, and whenever my billing charge will go above $10 for the entire account, I will immediately be notified using the the topic simple notification service SNS service that Amazon has. It's gonna send me an email and tell me, hey, hold on, your usage is now greater than $10. All right, hopefully now you have learned how to create your billing alarms and how to use the CloudWatch to do that. It's a very simple step. So you started with the billing management. We enable pretty much all three of them, enable the email even for the receive free tier usage alert, then saved our preferences. Then we went to manage the billing alerts, and over here we went to billing, and within the billing we created clicked on the create alarm, and we went through 4 steps and we were able to create this particular alarm. So let's refresh it one more time, and that's about it. That's pretty simple, and you should be able to create this alarm without any problem. I just wanted to get to this before I close the video. So now it says okay, so its notification service is working fine. It checked and made sure that if it's working fine and the state is okay. So that's about it. So hopefully set your alarm and don't get any surprise billing from AWS even when you're using the free tier. Thank you for watching. If you like, please again give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Happy learning AWS. Thank you.